Hello and welcome back everybody. If your Windows PC has no sound and if you're trying to fix that issue on your Windows, in today's video we are going to fix it. So let's just get started. The issue may be due to driver issues, muted audio or device conflicts, so you can follow up these steps. So first of all, check the basic settings. Go ahead and click on the speaker icon in the taskbar. Right click on it or just click on it basically simply. And ensure that this volume option right here is up and not muted like this. So make sure it is up and that should also do it. Or you can right click on this one right here and go to sound settings. And once you are under sound settings, ensure the output device is correct. So ensure the speaker is correct. That is the correct output device you're using, and see the basic settings. Apart from that, what you can do is you can just go ahead and restart your audio services. Hit Windows plus R for that and open up this run box on your screen. Here type in services.msc. After that is done, you can just go ahead and hit enter and click OK. And once it is confirmed, you can go ahead and find Windows Audio. You can click on one and press W on your keyboard, and that should open up this Windows section, W section. Go to Windows Audio from here and right click on it. Once you right click on it, you can select the option of restart from here, confirm it. And once it is confirmed, you can go ahead and find another option, which is Windows Audio Endpoint Builder as well. Right click on it and go ahead and follow the same process. Click on restart and restart the audio services. And you can close this up. Apart from that, you can update or reinstall the audio drivers. Hit Windows plus X for that and go over and find Device Manager and hit enter. From here, you can expand the sound option. Go to Sound, Video and Game Controllers and expand it up. Once you find it up, you can right click on your audio device currently. And once you do so, you can click on Update Driver. From there, go ahead and select the option for Search Automatically for Drivers and confirm it. If that fails, you can uninstall the device. Right click on it and find the option for Install Device. And once you do so, you can restart the PC and Windows will reinstall the driver again on your computer. And that is it. And apart from that, you can also sometimes update your Windows. Sometimes missing updates can break audio. So you can hit Windows plus I for that and go ahead and look out for Windows Update and check for updates if there is any kind of update available and install it. So these are the solutions you can try out for now. So don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.